Make no mistake, we will prove that Masters was responsible. And we will do it because she had 3 chances to avoid an accident, much like in the famous poem, Casey at the Bat, 1888. Mighty Casey had 3 chances to hit a ball, just like McMasters, the senator's daughter, had 3 chances to avoid that collision. But the collision was not avoided. The ball was not struck. I ask that you, the jury, be the umpire in this case. You decide that she indeed struck out. And in order to prove this, we will call Devin St. James, the nationally recognized expert in the field of accident reconstruction. He will show scientifically and without a doubt that there was indeed negligence on behalf of Alex McMasters, and that it is an enormous sum of negligence. Then we will call Sidney Cosgrove. Sidney Cosgrove was a reliable eyewitness, the only reliable eyewitness besides the 2 parties. She will testify that what she did not see was a turn signal, but what she did see was the light of a phone in the driver's seat. You may hear testimony or questions from opposing counsel that she does not know it was a phone. However, she says it was unmistakable. It was indeed a phone, and it wasn't used. Then we will call the victim, Jess Paxton, the plaintiff herself. She will testify as to how, because of this accident, she no longer will be able to go to college. She lost a soccer scholarship because she was a phenomenal athlete until she received a broken collarbone and head injuries. Then, as you hear defenses, call the witnesses, and present testimony, you will see all of them as an intimate relationship with Alex McMasters. Especially Terry Osgood, Detective Terry Osgood. Detective Terry Osgood, whose budget is controlled by McMasters' mother. Detective Terry Osgood, whose son's softball team goes to McMasters' father's restaurant on a regular basis. And Detective Osgood, who received a call on his phone the night of the accident from McMasters' mother saying that she wanted McMasters to be clear of any responsibility in this. Then you have Riley Jackson, a close friend of McMasters. However, she's honor-bound to tell not the truth, but to distort the truth in order to get her friend off the hook. She contradicts Alex's texting. On one hand, Riley says she wasn't texting at all, but Alex says she was texting while at stoplights, while the vehicle was in operation. They will also call Alex McMasters herself. Alex McMasters is the reason we are here today. She had 3 strikes against her that night. She was texting while behind the wheel, strike 1. She possibly consumed alcohol, strike 2. And she did not use her turn signal, giving Jess Paxton no indication she intended to turn. Strike 3. You're out. Now, as I wrap up this web of incompetence and bias on the part of the defense, I must ask you, when honor and the law are no longer on the same side of the line, how do you choose? I ask that you find in favor of the law, that you find in favor of justice, and that you find in favor of the plaintiff. Thank you.